I'm very excited to share this Skin Glow Elixir shot. You can take it every day, some people every second or third day, your choice, but this shot is inspired and is a revival of a centuries-old habit of people who live long and healthy lives. If you want a nutracosmetic for glowing skin, this is it. Nutracosmetics are the latest rage. Nutra meaning nutrient, cosmetic meaning something that makes you look better. So it comes from within, and there's a lot of other benefits. It just so happens with this shot, I found out my patients coming back saying, hey, guess what, doc? I lost some weight. I seem to be burning more fat. So I thought it was timely to do this coming into the new year. In fact, there's ginger in here, and that's the main component. And a nice little study is right here. Let's take a look at a study with ginger before we get into this shot. Okay, so here's a review article, The Effects of Ginger Intake on Weight Loss and Metabolic Profiles Among Overweight and Obese Subjects, a systematic review and meta-analysis of randomized controlled trials. So what we're looking for, randomized controlled trials are the best, and this is in fact a meta-analysis. And if we look here, we found no detrimental effect of ginger on body mass index, so no detrimental effect. No detrimental effect on insulin, triglycerides, or cholesterol. Overall, the current meta-analysis demonstrated that ginger intake reduced body weight, we like that, waist to hip ratio, we like that, hip ratio, look at this, fasting glucose, so it reduced fasting glucose, that's great, increased HDL cholesterol, we like that. That's what's considered your good cholesterol, complicated, but yes, that's your good cholesterol. Did not affect insulin, good. Body mass index, triglycerides total, and LDL cholesterol level. So all good stuff we're looking for. So you see, there's other benefits than just skin. Ginger has been shown to help with certain types of muscular pain as well. It reduces inflammation, and that anti-inflammatory effect helps relieve the pain of different things like osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis. Osteoarthritis is where you wear away the cartilage due to aging, and rheumatoid arthritis is mostly an immune system disease where the body attacks its own joint. Either way, this shot helps with the joints, makes you more limber. This shot is a concentrated beverage, and it has fresh ginger as the main ingredient. You'll be happy to know as well, there's some data on reducing insulin resistance and that metabolic syndrome, which is a cluster of conditions that raises the risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. So there's evidence that it might help with that as well. A single shot of what I'm going to show you here contains about 5 grams of ginger, and that's considered a safe amount. So once a day is very reasonable. Ginger, as you might recall, has a lot of effects on the gut. Leaky gut is something else that's very important to note, and the gut health and digestion really plays a role in your overall well-being. So how do you make this orange, spinach, ginger, turmeric concoction, the Skin Glow shot? This recipe produces 2 servings, by the way, so you can save a shot for the next day or 2. Now the ingredients you're going to need: 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root, I like organic, 1 small orange, 1 cup of spinach leaves. Some people like half a cup for taste, but remember, spinach has copper, and copper, along with vitamin C, helps build collagen. That's what we want, collagen and elastin. 1 teaspoon of raw, unfiltered honey. Now, honey is an antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and an antiviral. So this is also good to help fend off colds for the winter season. Then you want turmeric powder. If you want to use the root, it's a couple inches of turmeric organic root, because we're going to grind this up anyway. Then you want a pinch of cayenne pepper. That helps the whole thing absorb better. Now what you're going to do, you take the peel off of the orange. Chop the ginger, the orange, and the spinach leaves into small pieces. You're going to grind it in a blender or food processor. I have one of those bullet things. You put it all in, you push it down, and it grinds it all up. You're going to divide it into 2 shots, and then you're going to drink it immediately. That's going to be the dose that you want. It tastes actually pretty good. You get used to it, and you're going to get all of those benefits. I put a complete video up here for supplements and nutracosmetics that you might like to watch if you like this shot. Stay tuned. Keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.